Birth control pills, also known as oral contraceptives, are a type of medication that women can take to prevent pregnancy. These pills contain hormones, typically estrogen and progestin, that work together to prevent ovulation or the release of an egg from the ovary. The hormones in birth control pills also work by thickening cervical mucus, which makes it more difficult for sperm to reach the egg. They can also alter the lining of the uterus, making it less receptive to a fertilized egg. To use birth control pills, a woman must take one pill each day, typically at the same time each day. Missing pills or taking them at different times can reduce the effectiveness of the pill in preventing pregnancy. There are different types of birth control pills available, including combination pills that contain both estrogen and progestin-only pills. The specific type of pill prescribed may depend on a woman's individual health history, preferences, and other factors. While birth control pills are highly effective at preventing pregnancy when used correctly, they do not protect against STIs. Using a condom or other barrier method in addition to birth control pills can help reduce the risk of STIs.